1106 Collin Drive, Lebanon, Tennessee. A quality new construction by the local Eastland Construction Group. Join us as we explore the home. Featuring a 0.3 acre lot, 4 beds, 3 baths, and approximately 3,400 square feet of living space, conveniently located in the reserve at Farmington Woods. Stay tuned for the full tour. This home features the Peyton Plan, so stepping inside, you're greeted with a nice little entry. Directly next to you is the separate or formal living, filled with the custom carpentry again. Nice little access alley to the kitchen. You'll see the stairs going upstairs to the left. To the right is a full bath and as well as your secondary bedroom. This is the main living space. Gas fireplace, open floor concept, custom maple cabinets, quartz countertops. Got a gas cooktop. And then you've got a little eat-in nook. Nice natural light. And then just off of this nook to the left is access to that covered back deck. Or covered patio, I guess, with extended back deck. This is the primary suite. Loads of custom carpentry again. Nice little view of the backyard. The ensuite features dual vanities with the quartz tops again, black accents, separate tub, walk-in shower, private commode for some quiet time. And then you've got that large walk-in closet with the custom shelving. I should mention this first floor has hardwoods throughout. Just off the kitchen, greeted with the utility room. And then just off of that, you have the 3-car garage. Let's head on back to see this full bathroom. You can easily add a glass door here if you wanted. This is the second bedroom downstairs. Okay, heading on upstairs. Up here you'll notice right away you've got carpet instead of the hardwoods. This is the very large bonus or recreation room. So much versatility with this one. Directly off of that, you've got the office. Nice large window again. Glass entry door. This is bedroom number 3. Full bathroom upstairs. Black accents again. And then bedroom number 4. Quickly diving into the location of this property. So you're located in what is known as Farmington Woods, or more specifically the reserve. It's Farmington Woods. This is a newer section of the development. So zooming out, you are very near the heart of everything Lebanon has to offer. The historic square, you're about a 12 to 15 minute drive, and then all of the shopping and stuff like that, restaurants, etc. You're within a 5 or so minute drive. Zooming out a little further, you have the Nashville International Airport, about a 25-30 minute drive. Then you also have the very heart of Nashville itself, about a 35 to 40 minute drive. If you love lakes and stuff like that, you have Percy Priest Lake, just down to the southwest, about a 30-minute drive. Old Hickory Lake to the west, and then you have the Center Hill Lake to the southeast. Hope you guys enjoyed that tour. Listing, full listing link with status and price and everything like that is in the description of this video. If you have any questions or anything like that, don't hesitate to reach out, leave feedback and everything else in the comments. Otherwise, see you guys in the next one.